Dolphins are among the most intelligent, emotionally complex, and socially sophisticated animals ever to evolve on Earth, living at the intersection of raw biological power and refined cognitive ability. They belong to the family Delphinidae, a group of toothed whales that have conquered nearly every ocean on the planet, from shallow coastal waters to the open blue depths far beyond the continental shelf. Their bodies are shaped by millions of years of evolution for speed, efficiency, and communication, but what truly sets dolphins apart is not merely how they move through water, it is how they think, learn, cooperate, and perceive the world around them. At first glance, a dolphin's streamlined body seems simple, almost minimalistic, yet every curve serves a precise purpose. Their fusiform shape reduces drag, allowing them to swim at remarkable speeds with minimal energy loss. The powerful tail flukes move vertically rather than side to side, propelling them forward with controlled bursts of force, while the dorsal fin acts as a stabilizer, keeping their bodies aligned as they cut through waves and currents. Beneath the skin lies a thick layer of blubber, not only insulating them against cold but also storing energy and contributing to buoyancy. The skin itself is a marvel, smooth, elastic, and constantly renewing. It minimizes turbulence in the surrounding water, giving dolphins a hydrodynamic advantage that engineers still struggle to replicate. Yet dolphins are far more than fast swimmers. Their sensory world is radically different from our own. Vision plays a role both above and below water, with eyes adapted to handle drastic changes in light and refraction, but sight is only one piece of a much larger puzzle. Dolphins experience their environment primarily through sound, using a biological sonar system known as echolocation. By emitting high-frequency clicks and interpreting the echoes that bounce back, dolphins can detect the size, shape, distance, and even internal structure of objects around them. This ability allows them to hunt in complete darkness, navigate complex underwater landscapes, and maintain group cohesion in murky or turbulent waters. Echolocation is not just a hunting tool, it is a way of perceiving reality itself, a three-dimensional acoustic map constantly updating in their minds. Communication among dolphins is equally extraordinary. They produce a wide range of sounds, including clicks, whistles, and burst pulse calls, each serving different social and functional purposes. Some whistles act as signature whistles, unique to individuals, functioning much like names. Dolphins can call out to one another, respond to specific individuals, and even mimic the signature whistles of companions, a behavior that suggests a level of social awareness rarely seen outside humans and a handful of other species. This acoustic complexity supports intricate social structures, where relationships are formed, maintained, and sometimes broken over time. Social life is at the core of dolphin existence. Most species live in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to hundreds, depending on species, environment, and available resources. Within these pods, dolphins cooperate in hunting, protect one another from predators, and assist injured or sick members. Observations have documented dolphins supporting wounded companions at the surface so they can breathe, a behavior that indicates empathy and social responsibility. Young dolphins learn essential survival skills through play and imitation, engaging in games that may look frivolous but serve critical developmental functions. Play strengthens social bonds, sharpens motor skills, and fosters cognitive flexibility, preparing individuals for the challenges of adult life. Hunting strategies among dolphins are astonishingly diverse and highly adaptive. Some species herd fish into tight balls, taking turns feeding from the concentrated mass, while others use more specialized techniques. In shallow coastal waters, dolphins have been seen driving fish onto mudflats, briefly beaching themselves to snatch prey before wriggling back into the water. In other regions, groups coordinate to create circular nets, or bubbles that trap fish, demonstrating planning, timing, and teamwork. These behaviors are not purely instinctual, many are learned and culturally transmitted, passed down from one generation to the next, forming localized traditions unique to certain dolphin communities. Dolphins occupy a wide range of habitats, from warm tropical seas to temperate and even cold waters. Some species prefer coastal zones, estuaries, and river mouths, where food is abundant but human activity is intense. Others thrive in the open ocean, roaming vast distances in search of prey. A few, like river dolphins, inhabit freshwater systems, navigating complex networks of rivers and floodplains. This ecological versatility reflects their adaptability, but it also exposes them to a variety of threats, many of which are directly linked to human expansion. Reproduction in dolphins is characterized by strong maternal investment and prolonged care. After a gestation period that can last around a year, a single calf is born tail first, reducing the risk of drowning during birth. From the very beginning, the calf relies heavily on its mother, nursing frequently and staying close for protection and guidance. This extended childhood, sometimes lasting several years, allows young dolphins to learn social rules, hunting techniques, and communication skills essential for survival. Such long developmental periods are typically associated with species possessing high intelligence and complex social systems. Predators of dolphins include large sharks and orcas, yet adult dolphins are rarely easy targets. Their speed, agility, and group defense strategies make them formidable opponents. In many cases, dolphins actively harass or mob predators, driving them away through coordinated movements and aggressive displays. However, the greatest threats dolphins face today are not natural predators but human activities. Pollution, plastic waste, chemical contaminants, and noise pollution disrupt their habitats and sensory systems. Fishing practices lead to bycatch, where dolphins become accidentally entangled in nets, often with fatal consequences. Habitat degradation and climate change further compound these pressures, altering prey availability in ocean conditions. Despite these challenges, dolphins continue to hold a unique place in human culture and imagination. Throughout history, they have been depicted as symbols of intelligence, freedom, and harmony with nature. Ancient sailors told stories of dolphins guiding ships, and modern science has confirmed their curiosity toward humans, often approaching boats and swimmers with apparent interest. Yet this fascination carries responsibility. Dolphins are not performers or props, they are autonomous, highly intelligent beings whose well-being depends on the health of the oceans they inhabit. In ecological terms, dolphins play a crucial role as apex or near-apex predators, helping regulate fish populations and maintain balance within marine ecosystems. Their presence is often an indicator of ocean health. Where dolphins thrive, the ecosystem is usually functioning well. Protecting dolphins therefore means protecting the broader marine environment, ensuring clean waters, sustainable fisheries, and quiet oceans where sound can travel without interference. Ultimately, dolphins remind us that intelligence is not a human monopoly. Beneath the ocean's surface exists a world of minds that think, feel, and communicate in ways both alien and strangely familiar. To understand dolphins is to confront the reality that we share this planet with other complex intelligences, each shaped by evolution to master its own domain. The future of dolphins is inseparably linked to our choices, and how we treat them will reflect not only our scientific understanding but our ethical maturity as a species.